let's talk about how to fix the Sims error code dosad. Game failed to launch in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. One of the first and most crucial steps is to verify your game files through your game launcher, whether that's app or Origin. Corrupted or missing files are a surprisingly common culprit for launch failures, but a quick repair can often magically resolve error code dosad. This process ensures all your game assets are intact, just as they should be and ready for action. It's like giving your game a quick, deep checkup without any fuss. Next up, let's talk about staying current with your system. Outdated graphics drivers or even an out-of-date Windows operating system can often clash with the Sims, leading to pesky errors like dosad. Make sure to check for and install any pending updates for your Q and your OS right away. Keeping your system fully updated ensures maximum compatibility and performance, giving your game the best chance to launch smoothly. For many Simmers, mods and custom content are the heart of their game, but they can also be a major source of launch problems. Incompatible or broken mods are notorious for triggering error code dosad, especially after a game update. Try temporarily removing your mods folder entirely to see if the game launches without them. If it does, you'll know your custom content is the issue and you can start the process of finding the problematic file.
Sometimes your security software can be a little too eager, mistakenly blocking the Sims from launching. Your antivirus or firewall might be flagging the game's executable as a threat, preventing it from running properly. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus and firewall, then attempt to launch the game to see if the error persists. If it works, you'll need to add the Sims as an exception to your security software to allow it to run freely and without interference.